Hello everybody. Today I am doing a review. Today I am reviewing the Method laundry detergent, and it's in the ginger mango, and I was asked a while ago to get this detergent by, her name is Kayla, and it's a plant-based laundry detergent. It's HE and it's for all washers. It does 66 loads. It smells really good. It's a little expensive. You see I use quite a bit of it. But I'm going to review it today and let you see the results of it. It has powerful stain. It's powerful stain lifter. Brightens colors and whites. And fragrance that lasts. So I am going into the laundry room and I will wash it. I'm not going to drag this video out, and you will see how this laundry detergent performs. Okay, so I will be right back. This is the results of me using the Method laundry detergent in the ginger mango. Everything came out so nice and clean. Like I said, this detergent is a little expensive, but you don't have to use that much. You could use like one capful and you will be good. It says it does 66 loads. I don't know if I believe that, but it's a pretty good detergent. Everything is bright and clean. I will buy it again. My favorite is that other one though, the sage one. That's my favorite, but this is really nice. This is a good detergent here. So this is it for my review, y'all. Thanks for watching. There will be more coming on either the Sasha Monique Talks channel or the Sasha Monique Talks Soap and Suds review channel. I'm going to try to put more content over there because I've been slacking a little bit. Okay, so I'll talk to you again soon.